Hello everybody in today's episode on Grainificent. In today's episode I will be talking in short a little review-ish pros and cons video of this Canon EOS 300 film camera, also known as the Rebel 2000 in North America or the KISS 3 in Japan. So if you like videos like these, please leave a like. It shows the YouTube algorithm that this video is worthy of showing to others. And also, if you like film photography related content, talking about cameras, photographers, darkroom stuff, developing and everything, please subscribe to the channel. It shows me I make helpful and interesting videos. So without further ado, let's get into this video about this great little piece of beauty. Well, everything is a beauty for me, but let's get into it. So like I already mentioned, it's the Rebel 2000 in North America and the KISS 3 in Japan, but it is a 35mm film SLR camera introduced by Canon in 1999. It was aimed at entry-level photographers seeking the advantages of an SLR without the complexity or cost of more advanced models. The EOS 300 remains a popular choice in the world of analog photography due to its ease of use, reliable autofocus, and compatibility with Canon's extensive lineup of EF lenses. The Canon EOS 300 is a sleek, lightweight camera that combines a polycarbonate body, making it both durable and relatively lightweight for a film SLR. Its design reflects Canon's late 90s style with ergonomic curves and a user-friendly button layout that makes it accessible even to beginners. The camera operates with 35mm film and offers automatic exposure, autofocus, and multiple shooting modes, making it versatile enough for various types of photography, from portraits to landscapes. So, key features. The autofocus system, the EOS 300 uses a 7-point autofocus AF system, allowing for relatively quick focusing compared to other cameras in its class. The AF points cover a fair amount of the frame, and the camera can automatically select the AF point based on subject movement. It offers 3 metering modes: evaluative, partial, and center weighted. Evaluative metering is the default, and it performs well in most lighting situations, making exposure settings accessible to beginners. The camera includes fully automatic, programmed mode, aperture priority, shutter priority, and manual exposure modes. Additionally, there are various scene modes such as portrait, landscape, macro, and sports, making it easy to capture a wide range of subjects with minimal adjustments. The camera also has a built-in pop-up flash. It is convenient for low light situations. The flash is not exceptionally powerful, but is adequate for most casual uses, especially with close-up subjects. For more serious applications, the hot shoe allows compatibility with Canon speedlight flashes. The EOS 300 is equipped with motorized film loading advance and rewind functions, providing a more automated experience compared to many manual SLRs. The camera detects the ISO of the film automatically via DX coding and adjusts the settings accordingly. The camera is powered by 2 CR2 lithium batteries, which are long-lasting and allow for hundreds of shots before replacement. The pros are ease of use, of course, its user-friendly design. The combination of automatic features and intuitive controls makes it ideal for beginners or those looking for a straightforward SLR experience without the complexity of advanced manual adjustments. The autofocus performance, although not as fast as today's digital autofocus systems, the 7-point AF system of the EOS 300 is fast enough for most situations, including everyday photography and slower paced action. This is a strong selling point for a film camera from the late 1990s and holds up well against other film SLRs in the entry-level category. Another pro is compatibility with Canon EF lenses. The EOS 300 is compatible with Canon's EF lenses, which offers a vast range of lenses. This allows photographers to experiment with everything from wide-angle to telephoto lenses, expanding creative possibilities. Another pro is it's lightweight and portable. Weighing only about 335 grams without lens, of course, the EOS 300 is relatively lightweight, making it a convenient option for travel or casual outings. Its ergonomic design also helps make prolonged use comfortable. The variety of shooting modes, including aperture priority and shutter priority, allows for creative control with the scene modes, while the scene modes make it simple to shoot in specific settings. For a film SLR aimed at beginners, this variety of options is impressive. Another pro is the good build quality for the price. The polycarbonate body is reasonably sturdy. The cons of the EOS 300? Well, it's limited manual control. Although the EOS 300 does offer manual exposure settings, its interface is not designed for fast adjustments. For example, to change the aperture in manual control, you have to use two buttons. Click one and then change. So it's not as easy and straightforward. Those seeking full manual control over every shot may find the process somewhat tedious due to the camera's reliance on automatic features. Next con-ish thing is the AF system limitations. While the autofocus is fast enough for general use, lightning fast for me, it may struggle in low light conditions or with fast moving subjects. I don't photograph cheetahs, so I don't know about that. Also, in the fully automatic mode, when it's too dark and you try to focus, it will pop off the flash and do a series of many flashes to help with the AF system. So, advanced photographers who require more precise control over focus may find this limiting, especially for action photography. Another con, the flash power, of course. The built-in flash is functional, but underpowered for distant subjects or more demanding lighting conditions. Photographers needing strong or nuanced flash control would likely want an external flash, which adds to the setup cost. Another con is the battery dependence. The EOS 300's reliance on CR2 lithium batteries is a potential inconvenience. These batteries can be expensive and are harder to find than standard AA batteries. Additionally, the camera is completely battery dependent, so once the batteries die, the camera is unusable until they are replaced. The plastic build is a con as well. While the polycarbonate construction keeps the camera light, it lacks the premium feel of metal-bodied cameras. This is a minor downside though, given that the build quality is quite good for its class and price point. So, the Canon EOS 300 performs well in most scenarios, delivering sharp, vibrant images when paired with quality lenses, of course. The lens is the most important part of every system. The evaluative metering generally does a good job of determining exposure in varied lighting conditions, making it easy to shoot in both outdoor and indoor environments. Images produced are detailed and have a pleasant film aesthetic, especially while using higher quality 35mm film stocks. So for entry-level photographers, the EOS 300's usability is a significant strength. The automatic film loading, easy access to basic modes, and quick autofocus make it approachable for those unfamiliar with analog photography. The layout of buttons and dials is intuitive, and most settings can be accessed without diving through complex menus. For photographers more comfortable with digital SLRs, transitioning to the EOS 300 is straightforward due to its similar control layout and shooting modes. The Canon EOS 300 is generally available at a reasonable price in the used cameras market. I got my body for 20 bucks, something like that. My camera body, of course. That makes it an attractive option for photographers looking to explore film photography without investing in high-end SLR. While there are cheaper, fully manual film cameras available, the added automation and autofocus capabilities make the EOS 300 an excellent choice for newcomers who prefer ease of use. The Canon EOS 300 is a solid entry-level film camera that offers a great balance between ease of use and performance. It's ideal for those interested in exploring film photography without committing to a more complex or expensive model. The autofocus system, compatibility with Canon EF lenses, and variety of shooting modes provides flexibility, while its lightweight design and accessible controls make it easy to carry and use in different environments. However, advanced photographers might find the limited manual control, less powerful built-in flash somewhat restrictive. Additionally, the camera's reliance on the CR2 batteries can be a minor drawback. Despite these limitations, the Canon EOS 300 remains a reliable and popular choice among analog photographers due to its blend of functionality, portability, and compatibility with Canon's extensive lens lineup. Overall, the Canon EOS 300 is a worthwhile investment for beginners and casual photographers looking to experiment with film, offering simplicity, affordability, and performance that continues to hold up decades after its release. If you like this video, please leave a like. It shows the YouTube algorithm my videos are worthy of showing to others. And if you enjoy film photography related content, videos about cameras, darkroom developing, overall developing film, recently started doing more studio work. I will do more videos about that, also taking film photography in a studio setting, and many other topics related to film photography. Please subscribe to the channel. It shows me I make helpful and interesting videos. And if you would like to help out with the channel, there is a donation link in the description down below where you can donate pennies or anything you want. You could also help out by clicking the support button under the video. And if you want more bang for the buck, look into channel memberships where from $1 a month you can see all the videos I make way ahead of schedule. So thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next video.